Hey everyone, today we have a Audi Q5. I'm gonna show you how to check your high pressure fuel pump in 2-liter diesel engine. If your pump is not working and you are not sure if it's pump or anything else, you should come here on the pump. As you can see, this is the pump, high pressure pump. You need to remove these two screws with 25 torques like this. This is the best way to check your if your pump is in good condition or it's gone. Okay, remove this. If you find aluminum here, your pump is gone. As you can see, it's full of aluminum. This pump is gone. You need to replace the pump, remove injectors, clean everything, clean your tank, change fuel filter, everything. You need to clean everything and change the high pressure pump. This is the only way. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. This will help me to get more inspiration to create more videos. Thank you.